Hello and welcome to the course MME 6134, which is Advanced Manufacturing for Master by Coursework students for FTKMA program organized by University Malaysia Pahang. My name is Dr. Moin Indeed Muhammad Qazi and I will be your class lecturer and course instructor. Before I start, let me give you a brief introduction to myself. I did my bachelor's from NAD University of Engineering and Technology, and then I came to Malaysia for my master's in manufacturing. Thereby, I carried forward for my PhD as well from University Malaya in advanced materials. So my research work is more or less associated with surface engineering, welding, and my focus currently is towards biomedical materials. I have been associated with AMMP Center, Advanced Material and Manufacturing Process Center in University Malaya, and joining Welding and Laser Processing Lab at University Malaysia Pahang. So first I have already gone through my information, then it will be followed by the course teaching plan, that would be followed by a course synopsis, an overview and summary of the course. Then I will be going through the course learning outcomes for this program. For this course, then we will go through the course syllabus, course assessment, we will go through the duration, how much time it will be required, and then the reference book that synopsis. So in this course, basically, we are going to go through the relevant materials and tools and processes for effective manufacturing. We are also going to consider the business needs and integrated manufacturing for full product development. And this is to ensure that the product is designed for or designed to manufacture. Additionally, we will be looking at how raw materials are converted into the final product, and there will be an emphasis on basically a link between the nature of process, which are basically the shapes, the dimensions, and the properties that will basically emanate from this link. Then we are also going to learn about the fundamental knowledge and about the advanced machining, advanced forming, CNC, different topics shall be studied. Last but not least, we will be looking at the latest additive manufacturing, which is currently the state-of-art manufacturing technique which is being employed, and surface and coatings, etc. So for a course learning outcome, we are going to study non-conventional advanced machining, advanced metal casting, and advanced metal forming process. Then we will be, for course learning outcome number 2, we will be going to advanced joining processes and laser material processing. Then for CLO3, we will be looking at CNC control and rapid prototyping technology, which consists of additive manufacturing, and last but not least, surface engineering. So in this course, the syllabus is advanced machining, metal casting, forming, joining, laser material processing, modern CNC technology, rapid prototyping, and advanced surface engineering. So these are the distribution based on your course learning objectives. So a part of this lecture will be conducted by Dr. Lukman, and the half of the course will be conducted by me, Dr. Moin. So with regards to the assessment program, assessment methods, CLO1, which is the course learning objective, will be 20%. Okay, all CLOs are basically 20% each. For CLO1, assignment will be used. For CLO number 2, test will be used. For CLO number 3, test will be used as an assessment method. And then for CLO4, surface engineering, I will be taking presentations, which will contribute to 20%. So total overall assessment will be 100%. So what about the delivery? So we will be currently giving the course online. Okay, partially it will be online classes, and then partially it will be video based. So the online class will be for about 3 hours for each CL, and recorded videos will be given for about 3 hours for each course learning objective. The reference book that we are going to use is basically Michael P. Groover, Fundamental of Modern Manufacturing and Material Process. If you are looking forward, there is another book called Kalpak Chan. That is also the main reference book that we are going to use for the subject. Last but not least, this is my contact details, and for Google Classroom, this is the link which is provided. If you can hover over this image, then you can click the link, and follow the class based on the schedule which is given by the lecturer. So this was all about the introduction to